Hi guys, so I just filmed this look, and this look shows like a perfect makeup look for school. It includes eyes, face, everything. Well, not clothes and not hair, but just the makeup look. And so I hope you enjoy it, and it really will brighten up your eyes for school and will complement your eye color. So yeah, thanks for watching if you want to watch, and if you keep watching, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, so I'm just priming my eyes with MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly, and I'm getting that in my inner corner and just all over my lid. Now I'm taking those two colors and applying that to the inner 2/3 of my eye and in the inner corner so it can highlight my eyes. Now I'm taking that purple color and putting that on the outer third of my eye. And if you have blue eyes, instead of using the purple that I'm using, you can use a light blue, and if you have green eyes, use purple, and if you have hazel eyes, use blue. And I just looked up what colors complement those eye colors, and it said those. So I don't know if it's true because I obviously don't have those eye colors, but instead of using the purple that I'm using, you can just switch them out with the colors that complement your eye color. So yeah, and it's going really slow because I just had to say a lot in that little time. And now I'm just blending with a blending brush. I'm taking that medium dark brown color and just putting it in my crease and blending away. Now I'm taking that what is it called? Light skin color eyeshadow, and just putting that on my brown bow for the highlight. And now I am lining my tight line and waterline with eyeliner, and I'm curling my lashes so they will be curly. And I am putting on mascara because I like mascara, and that's just what the eye look looks like. And now I am just moisturizing my skin because dry flaky skin is not cute. And now I'm just putting this acne treatment and dotting it on any like acne I have, because while I'm wearing my makeup, if I put this under, then it like fights my acne while I'm wearing makeup. So yeah. And now I'm taking this face primer and just priming my face and just blending that in so it will be on me. Yeah. Now I'm just taking some foundation, just a pea-size amount, and I'm putting it on little zits or like red spots or just stuff that I would like to cover up. Instead of doing a full face, I like doing this because it still gives me the coverage I want, but I don't feel like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. I'm just blending that into my skin. Now I'm taking a MAC Studio Fix in C3. That's my color. It's a little light for me, but that's okay. And I'm just tapping off any extra, and I'm buffing this into my skin all over my face and I really like to buff it into my skin because I really don't like the look that I'm wearing makeup. And when I buff it into my skin like this, it just really makes it look like I'm not wearing any makeup at all. And so now I'm taking this bronzing blush and bronzing duo and putting the bronzing on my hollows of my cheeks and the blush on the apples. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.